what's the alternative? Then they are basically going to be forced to sell that property and the traditions of, you know, that family memory that you've had for in your generations, probably for a long, long time. So this is basically what this article is pointing out. And then it also brings up the fact that Airbnb, let's talk about renting platforms. So you have purchased a home, you've been renting it out, and let's say you decide to move back into it at some point down the road here. And now as you move back into it, the government is basically telling you that you will have to pay a tax on that home because indeed, it may have been deemed sold. So here's how the short-term rental squeeze has kind of put pressure on everybody here. This change in use rule, it's under CRA, they're deemed to have sold their home to themselves and must pay HST on the full market value. So you have been renting your home, you know what, you've decided no longer to rent it, you're going to move back in. You yourself have been paying the property taxes on it, you yourself have been paying the upkeep on it, you yourself are paying the mortgage on it, which you're paying interest, which is, yeah, you get the idea. And now you are being told that if you move back into this home, potentially because of this change in use rule, you will have been deemed to have sold this home to yourself. And you must now pay HST on the full value. $1 million home, that's $130,000 now that you're paying to CRA because you simply decided to change where you live, even though it's property that you own.